Hello friends, it's me again, Miss Olive, for the second on-demand video I'm making for fellow teachers. So I'm making this because someone is asking me to do it, and I hope that for doing this, I'll be able to actually help more teachers. And this time I'm going to cover in 5 minutes a topic on using a classroom app or application for effective class management. Now, this video is geared to towards K-to-5 teachers, but if you're a high school teacher or even a college teacher and you find this interesting, I hope you can share, like, and subscribe to this video. So let's begin. What is really the biggest challenge for elementary teachers or for teachers in general? Is it teaching content? Is it work schedule? Actually, it's not. Class management the is the biggest challenge for teachers. So what can help us? A class management app can actually help us. And what is it? It's an application that at the same time a tool that's used to reduce class management issues and increase instructional time or class productivity. A good class management app should be able to support the teacher effectively in and outside the classroom. So even before remote learning began, my school has already started using Class Dojo. And how did we came about using Class Dojo? Because I noticed that my child was using Class Dojo in his school, and I shared it to my fellow teacher who turned out to be the administrator of Class Dojo in our school. Class Dojo or Class Tag. Right from the get go, administrators and teachers should decide which class management application to use for the whole school. So, it's not possible na yung ibang teacher gagamit ng Class Dojo, yung iba naman magagamit ng Class Tag. No, you have to decide as a school on which application you would like to use. Okay? And if you want to check, Class Dojo is number two in the five must have classroom management apps, tools, and resources. So I'm actually recommending Class Dojo because I have personally used it myself. But of course, it is a decision that you guys have to make in your school because I've also heard feedback about ClassTag that it's a very good application. Now, Google Classroom is another classroom management application, but more famous than Google Classroom is Google Classroom is actually Class Dojo. So this is how Class Dojo looks like. Actually, I have it right here. So if that's still loading, you can take a look. That's my actual Class Dojo. And this is a demo class. So if you were following my video, I have shared in my first video how a flow of the day should look like. And this is how it looks like on a Class Dojo post. Okay? And students can like it or make a comment, okay? And let me know what they think about my flow of the day or whatever questions they have. Now let's go back to my slide. Google Classroom is more for kids in a middle school or even high school to college, while Class Dojo is more for K-to-5 students or teachers because of its interface, monster avatars, colorful presentation, and its effective reward and consequence system, which I love to use, and I have it right here. Okay, so a quick view. You see, some of my students actually had made it to 200, 166, 173, and here's my demo class. So you can actually, all of your kids are going to have an avatar, and if they are doing well, you tell them right away that they're doing well. Give them a feedback, and they get a point for that. So that's one thing that's really good. So let's say Cameron Diaz was not doing her work. We just say, hey, you're talking out of your turn during our Google Meet, and then you give them a point. Okay, so I'm gonna stop right here because I only have 25 seconds to go, and I'm just gonna continue with my video next time. So watch out for it. Keep watching here on next on our list.